You just let them play, and they will discover that some of them are squares, and if you stack them all up, oh look, I could make a tower. And I wonder how many I can put on a stack before my tower falls over. There's a fun game to play. Another one, you could line them all the way around to be the walls of a house. And then once you have the walls of your house, you can put different rooms in there. So maybe you want this to be the door over here. And maybe you want to be able to have the kitchen in this area. And once you build all your things and add on some other rooms out here, lots of different shapes, whatever it is you like, find something simple like pen lids. And these are your people. And they come home. Oh, look, we're in the kitchen and we're going to make some supper. And then you pretend to do whatever. And all of this can be kept in a simple bag, and you can get play value out of this so that they are learning and watching and seeing all the different things on there. Now let's talk about the math things. One of the first obvious ones is you can have children sort them by color. So all of the white ones can go together, all the green ones go together, all the blue ones, all the red ones. This one's kind of a pinky red, but it doesn't matter if they're exactly the same, but you want to kind of sort them according to the color. Then another way to sort them is what is the shape of the outside. So most of the ones that I have are a square on the outside, but you'll notice that some of them are a rectangle. So you can help your child notice and sort by which ones are the squares, which ones are the rectangles. Another way to sort them is by the shape of the inside. If you look at these two, they both have that inside shape very similar, but this one does not. Even though this is a rectangle and this is a square, the inside shape is very similar. And this one, of course, would go in a different section. This one, well, you'd have to decide. It's a different shape, but it's very close. It's just a different size. So your child may decide that even though this one is a little bit smaller than these ones, it could go together, and that's perfectly fine. When you're sorting, there's kind of no wrong answer with them. One of the things that you can sort by is whether or not there's writing and numbers on it. So you can put all the ones that have writing and numbers on. Oh, look, that one has no writing, no numbers on it, so it wouldn't go with that. And this doesn't matter if it's a different color or the same color, as long as they're writing or no writing. Oh, that one does. And this is a really good skill because they quite often think that because it's a different color, it can't go together. So you're only sorting by two things, numbers and letters or no numbers and letters. All right? Another way to do it is by the size. Now, we talked about how they're square and how they are rectangle, but some of them are also a different size. So if you look at them, there is like a small and a medium and a big. Shall I put it there for you? So there are different sizes. So then they really have to look at what sizes go together and which ones do not. Again, it doesn't matter what color it is as long as the same height, the same size. And they will stack them up like this and look straight across and measure them to see if they're exactly the same. Another way to sort them is, do they have bumps on the outside? Do they not have bumps on the outside? Do you see how that one has 4 bumps there? Oh, and this one has no bumps, but it's got these little 2 on the bottom, and these ones don't have bumps. So you could do bumps on the bottom, no bumps on the bottom. 2 bumps on the side, no bumps on the side. Another fun thing to do, children love doing this one, is find the ones that have the bigger holes, and they can become keys. They love to make these into keychains. So it doesn't matter if it's big or small. If it has a big hole, it will fit on there, and they can pretend that they are keychains, and then they can take them off again, and they can pretend it's the key for unlocking your door or locking your car, whatever it is you like. There are so many things that you can do. Have fun with bread tags. If they break, well, then you could do a sorting of broken ones and no broken ones. Keep them all in a Ziploc bag or something and have fun. Look at for the play value for whatever it is you have. It does not have to be expensive toys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.